Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for March 23rd to April 4th. For March 23rd to 27, we have a split flow forecast across North America through the period, with the anomalous upper ridge here. Get the point of upper ridge here, extending from Alaska and northwest Canada into the north-central U.S. is expected to persist, and we'll have a trough over eastern North America. Now, during this period, I'm going to take a look here. We're going to go to the 23rd right here. Showers and thunderstorms are forecast across the central and southern plains. You can see here. This is the GFS ahead of this system moving through the area. And the potential exists for some severe weather as well as locally heavy rain threats early next week. So here we are on Saturday the 23rd, and we go into early next week. Here we are Monday, Tuesday. So this is the GFS. That's right, two of the GFS. This is European. See, we have rain that shows it here. And European ensembles. Showers and storms will spread east into lower Mississippi Valley, the Ohio, Tennessee Valley, southeast. And then there's a possibility of a secondary low forming off the southeast coast. You can see it right here. Let me go back to it. You can see it here on European ensembles. And this could cause enhancement of the rain across the Carolinas into the southern mid-Atlantic and the Northeast. Rain and mountain snow is expected from the Great Basin and the Rockies with the passage of the system later in the week. And then later on, after that, another system will be approaching and there'll be heavier precipitation. Okay, now the period for March 26th to 30th. We have an eastward progression of the pattern, and this occurs as Eastern Pacific Trough moves inland. We'll show you this as we go through motion. And this pushes the ridge eastward into the west central states, and the Eastern Trough lifts out, giving way to rising heights. So now we go to the 30th. Now you can see that this trough is up here, almost a zone of flow, and the heights spread eastward. And we look at the rest of the model. Some will bring like the European brings it further east with the above normal heights, but with a zone of flow, we have a trough here and our trough here. So during this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures for the west, and I'm forecasting anomalies at 2 to 4 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures forecast here with anomalies at 2 to 4 degrees below normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation for much of this area here, and the probability of occurrence 35 to 45%, and then we have below normal precipitation forecast for northern New England, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. Now we're going to look at the period for March 31st to April 4th. Here we're at the 31st, and a zone of flow is forecast across the nation. And below normal heights are forecast in the west, and above normal heights in the east. And this is indicated by most of the models. However, we take a look at, we'll go back here. There's a map here I want to show. I think it was this one. This European ensembles has a ridge here, or above normal heights, with below normal heights and trough here in the middle. So most of the models are showing a flatter flow with a trough here in the west, ridge in the east. But for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures. I think the below normal temperatures will be kind of like this. Oh, shit, if I can draw a line. I think we have below normal temperatures. This is the best map I could find for this. East of this line, and it'll be west of this line. Kind of like it right in here would be below normal, near normal to slightly above elsewhere. and a forecasted numbers of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for much of this area here. Probability of occurrences 35 to 45%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for March 23rd through April 4th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.